Okay, guys, I just wrote 14 letters. Doesn't sound like a lot, does it? But if you do 14 letters a day, 14 letters a day, which isn't hard to do, and you do it every single day, that is going to end up being $500 a week that you'll be able to convert. And so many people ask me questions about this, like, why are you doing this, Mary? Because I can control it. I can control how many letters I do. If I don't have the time, I don't have to do anything. I don't have to stress myself out doing ideas and ideas and ideas. I literally don't make up anything. I literally just get on here, say what I'm doing, say what I worked on that day, and then I just post it. Letter writing is easy, it's proven, it works, and I've been doing it since January. And whenever I bought into the Send It Academy, it was because I purchased that course. It was $199. It's $25 a month. But you know what? You can pay $20 and be an affiliate for it. $20 once. So you can do this right on your own. Nobody gets any money from the letters. Whatever I write, I get that. Whatever you write, if you sign up and take the course as an affiliate, under me, under my affiliate account, I just get a portion, I get a commission off of that. But other than that, I don't get anything else from you except I think maybe $250 a month or something from the amount that you pay. $250 or $5. I think it's $250. But guys, that's how any affiliate type of program is set up. The coolest thing about it is, if you don't want to sign anybody up, if you don't want to have anything to do with getting on social media and telling what you're doing, you don't have to. You literally can just watch the videos in the course. They do everything. They tell you how to do everything. Step-by-step videos. And not only does it give you step-by-step what you're supposed to be doing, they'll check your very first letter so that you can create a template. They'll check exactly what it is that you're writing. They'll tell you if it's wrong. They'll tell you how to fix it. And guys, it is so nice and relaxing for me. I like to just zone out. I'm a busy teacher. I teach all day. My brain is constantly running like a million miles a minute. My husband's ill. I've been dealing with a lot over the past, actually since May. I've been dealing with a very ill husband. So my brain is literally maxed out. I can't put anything else in my head. I'm waiting outside of the store for medication for him. So, guys, I cannot do one more thing. So this is what I do because I can control it. I can write 14 letters today, and maybe I could write 30 tomorrow. I can write 50 on the weekend if that's what I can do. If I wanted to write 100 in 3 days, or whatever I want to write, I get to control it. I control if I go onto social media. I don't feel stressed out about it because my videos about what I'm doing are consistently showing what I'm doing. I show you guys, I videotape myself on a different day doing different stamps, doing different parts of the letter writing process. So they teach you what to do. They tell you how to do it. They give you step-by-step videos. And then the smartest part of all, the best part of the whole course, is at the end, after somebody finally drops whatever casino you're writing for, and they finally drop all of the sweeps coins into your account for whatever envelopes you wrote, you learn how to convert that into cash so that you can get it cashed out in your bank account. Leaf blower guy's coming by and he's like staring at me, so I'm laughing at that guy. I hope that you guys just check out this letter writing, because you know what, even if you decide not to be a person who sells the course, you don't have to. You can write letters and you can make cash. And there's my guy right there blowing. He's leaf blowing, so I better go so you guys can hear me. Have a great day. Bye, y'all.